Hughes in Alhambra has reinvented an old diner, serving up dishes like slippery shrimp and truffle cauliflower. But does the food live up to the restaurant's fancy vibe? Keep watching and find out.
So first thing, looking at the menu, I think we went straight for the expensive stuff. Looking at it, there's a lot of crab dishes here. But unfortunately, Lisa is allergic.
But I can guarantee you, Asians know how to do seafood.
I mean, they even have a chu chow chili crab here, and even salty egg yolk Dungeness crabs. What are your thoughts of this place? I mean, it looks pretty fancy, right?
So this restaurant used to be a diner. It was called Diner on Main. It used to serve diner food and stuff like that. They kept a similar concept with the booths and everything, but it's very upscale now. Like, it looks very fancy. A very nice date night type place. They don't have a lot of large tables, only a couple. They open really late. They open till midnight, 4 p.m. till 12 a.m. Closed on Tuesdays. They also have their own parking lot. This is a majority Chinese restaurant though, so expect Chinese cuisine here.
And you got a tea, right?
Yeah, it's just like a Japanese green tea. You don't get options. It's just a green tea. It's weird that it's disposable. I guess that's for sanitary reasons. This napkin, it just smells bad. Like it wasn't properly washed. This is a Singaporean New Year's dish. They always toss this as like a New Year's tradition. It's a tradition in Singapore and Malaysia. Ensures lucky, prosperous, healthy vibes for New Year's.
Perfect.
And we're eating like on the January 3rd. So we have the slippery shrimp. It's a wasabi. It has wasabi and fish roe. And these shrimps are ginormous. I think these are the biggest shrimps I've ever seen in my life. And then we have the chicken wings, cumin lamb. And if you order $50 or more, you get a free garlic noodle.
And this is as of January 2025. We don't know how long they're gonna have that promotion for, so we're taking advantage.
I only know about this dish because of our friends. It has taro, salmon sashimi, pickled ginger, dressed with soy and peanut oil. I taste a lot of the ginger, like the Japanese ginger.
Oh, that looks like it's right here, huh?
Yeah, but it's very refreshing and very crunchy. I like it, I dig it. So here we have like these fried taro chips that they just shredded. And these pickled onions, I really love it. It's like a sweet onion. It really makes the dish really pop. What is this black thing right here? It's shisho. This is so weird. I've never seen pepperoni in an Asian dish.
I don't know, is this authentic? Let us know. Also, we don't really see this dish anywhere else. If you guys know of it, of other places, just let us know in the comments.
So eat this for New Year's. It's a ginormous bowl. It takes up the whole
Seriously,
table.
look at this. Look. For scale. This is hard to get like a really perfect bite, huh? There's a lot going on. Texture, but like also the different types of flavors, because you do taste some of the oil, and then you taste like the streamy part, and then there's like the cilantro that you taste at the end. And depending on how much ginger you get, I think that might overpower everything.
Truffle cauliflower.
The cauliflower does look a little bit different. It's a different type of species. It basically just looks like a thinner broccoli.
American cauliflower looks kind of like a broccoli. This one looks more like a flower bouquet.
Oh, this is really good. Savory, and it's a little bit truffly, not like overpoweringly truffle.
Our lamb here. It has spices, chilies. It's fried. Has onions. Like a typical Sichuan dish.
It feels a little bit more dense and a little bit harder. It's very meaty. It's good. The flavor is really good. It's a little bit more sweet tasting, less on the cumin, more on the lamb flavor. I do think this is a really good dish.
Chicken wings. I could see the steam coming out from the chicken wing.
It's juicy, it's savory, it's a little bit spicy. Yeah, it's good. Surprisingly very meaty too.
Our free noodles. It's garlic noodles.
Noodle pool.
Noodle pool. That's a lot of noodles. If you didn't know, garlic noodle is invented by a Vietnamese lady in San Francisco.
Helene An.
And you have to eat noodles for New Year's.
A little bit buttery, a little bit garlicky. This is very satisfying.
Next dish is a lot of fish roe.
I dig it a lot. It has a little bit of crunchiness to it, but this wasabi is good because it's not like overpowering.
It's like a jumbo shrimp.
This is really good. I think it's hard to pick a favorite. This is brand new to us, so I think
Yes.
this was a really
This is also brand new to us.
Yeah.
And this truffle cauliflower is also brand new to us. We never had it prepared like this. All right. It is pretty lamby. Like I taste the lamb. I think the cumin overpowers the lamb flavor. Had there not been cumin, it would be a little bit lambier. I prefer my lamb to be a little bit fattier. And this one's like more on the meaty side, less fat. But I like that they have chunks of onion, ginormous shrimps. They're like the same size. It's very sweet. Honey walnut shrimp lovers, you need to try this because this is like your traditional honey walnut shrimp, but like a little bit different. Wasabi is there, but it's very faint. I still cannot believe how big the shrimp is. It's shrimp on steroids. I don't taste any truffle.
There's a little bit of evidence of it here, but I think, oh look, so at the bottom, you could start to see it a little bit.
Am I broken? No, I can't taste it.
Oh, I don't know.
The cauliflower is good though. It's not too soft. It still has that crunch. It's good.
Wings, love chicken wings.
These wings are actually smaller than I thought it would be. Non-steroid size, not like this. The batter on this chicken wing is very, very light. Like you're not gonna expect like Popeyes type crunch. It's just very lightly battered and it gives you that crunch, but the meatiness on the inside of the chicken wing is like so juicy.
It's not greasy on the outside either, so at least it feels a little bit less guilty.
Yeah, I think it's really good. All right, the noodle is the last thing I didn't try yet. It tastes too buttery.
But me, I really love butter, so it works for me.
Fun fact, Peter used to eat chunks of butter from the fridge when he was a kid.
I always thought that things that tasted gross were healthy, so I was like, oh, this gotta be healthy. This tastes disgusting eating it by a spoonful.
This is okay, just okay to me.
Butter fans, if you guys are like me, then you'll like this.
It's more like butter noodles. I think this is one of my favorites. It's pretty unique, and this. Yeah.
For me, I think just having this combo because everything is so different. I really like the variety that we got here.
Coming here, I was kind of like hesitant because I kind of look at the menu and I wasn't like really impressed, but now I'm really impressed. This place is good, and they have a lot of different unique drinks too.
Bar area looks really nice.
And you can watch football here.
It looks like you have a lot of Monday leftovers. Our main goal was to finish this because this wasn't gonna travel well.
Yeah.
Okay, damage was 125.67, and we have the $15 discount for the free garlic noodles. Yeah, like you said, everything is a little pricey here.
I think overall it's a solid place. I recommend it. If you're in the Alhambra area and you are curious about what other restaurants there are, we have the Alhambra playlist here.